Hey, it's David here from Freedom Founders. My question to you today is, are you the smartest one in the room? I know you're saying, well, David, what room are you talking about? I'm talking about the rooms, the places, the forums where you hang out, the people you surround yourself with. Are you the smartest one in your tribe, in your bunch? Because if you are, I think you're making a big mistake. Now, don't get me wrong. I want you to be diligent and improve yourself and become knowledgeable and educated as much as you can, as much as it makes sense in certain areas of your life, personal development and your business, your practice, investing money. It's wise for you to be learning at all times. But if you're in a place where you feel like or you think you need to be the smartest one in that room, that space, that environment, whatever it may be, again, I'll say it again, you're making a big mistake. Because if you think you know everything there is to know, because you haven't elevated yourself, you haven't put yourself in rooms where you're not the smartest one, then you're going to get a false sense of security. Because if you're teaching other people, which is a great thing to do, but if you're never being challenged yourself, your ideas, your thoughts, your processes, if you're not in a place where other people have gone further than you, maybe it's because you don't want to be put in that position. Maybe you have a self-esteem issue and you just feel like you've got to be in the top of the game. So you never put yourself in places where you maybe have to be low man or woman on the totem pole. Yeah, it takes a little bit of character resolve to do that. But I'm telling you, my whole life, I try to put myself on a regular basis with people in places where I was challenged to be better, to move myself up, to try to rise up, climb the ladder, and get in line or get in step with the people that had gone down the road ahead of me. Whether that was in life, business, athletics, sports, same thing. I wanted to be challenged at all times. It's always made me a better person in all regards. And maybe I do get a little bit wiser and smarter with time. You know, life experiences play a lot of part in that, big part in that. But I'm never still the wisest. I don't know everything there's to know about lots of things. So I need to put myself in a position where I can draw from the experience, the perspective, the intelligence, the wisdom of other people. If you're not doing that, you're losing a lot of ground. You're wasting a lot of time. Find tribes that make you a better person in a lot of different areas. Personal development, your business, your practice, and in finance and wealth building. It takes effort, but you got to put yourself out there. Don't forget, you've got to focus on your freedom. This has been David. I'll see you next time.